Back once again, your live reporter on the scene of this news across the nation. They finally almost got it right. We got a little snow last night. Been out feeding this morning, got the cattle fed, got the ponds busted. Nice blowing snow. Everything's covered. Roads is still covered. Had the old Jeep out and running around in it a while ago. It goes real good. The old 60 model. Oh, roads is still covered. Where's some of the last, that ever gets plowed. It ain't no 1993 snow, but it's nice little snow. I've got more on order. I don't know if we'll get it or not, but we'll see. They'll be down through the plowing directly. Get that overtime this weekend. I can't blame them, Make it money when you can. That's what it looks like as of this morning. It's still snowing a little there. Have to run to Belton here directly. See if we got any milk and bread for them milk and bread sandwiches. Nah, I'm just funny. We don't need no milk and bread. We good. It is a good snow though. Can't see the top of the mountain over there, but it come down pretty good last night. Looks nice on everything. See the layout, all the trees and the land and stuff and everything. Well, the weather folks been calling for a good snow for the last 3 weekends. They finally snuck up on them, didn't they? It's a pretty good little snow. It ain't nothing like 1993 or what other places have seen. Good day to stay in by the fire, drink coffee, enjoy the day, or get outside maybe directly and burn some brush piles we got up in the holler. Probably work on that after a while. Might even roast some hot dogs up there. Yeah, it'll be busting the pond for another week or so. Get warmed back up. All kinds of wintertime fun. 'Tis the season. And we didn't have a white Christmas. It was 60 degrees, felt like spring. Now look at it.